Hi, I'm Marisa Sykes, and I'll be performing The Seagull by Anton Chekhov. Why do you say you kiss the ground I walk on? I ought to be killed. I'm the seagull. No, that's not right. I'm an actress. Yes, that's right. He's here. He always laughed at my dreams. And little by little, I stopped believing, and I lost faith too. I mean, there were the pressures of love and the jealousy, the constant worry over my little one, and I became mediocre and pitiful, and my acting made no sense anymore. I'm the seagull. Oh, that's not right. Do you remember when you shot that seagull? One day, by chance, there came a man who saw her, and for lack of anything better to do, he destroyed her. Just an idea for a short story. What was I saying? I was talking about the stage. No, I'm not like that anymore. No, I'm a true actress now. Yeah, I perform with joy and with ecstasy, and I feel beautiful. And when I think about my calling, I'm not so afraid of life. I'm not.